Remember those pastéis de Belém that we ate a few days ago?
We're making them!
We're making them. We're learning how to make them. We watch Chopped all the time, so now we're going to be pastry chefs.
Yes.
By the time you see us next, we will be experienced pastry chefs.
Yes, in one item.
In one item. Don't ask us to make anything else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
We got to do something that we've never done together before, right? So we took a cooking class and we made some pastries. It was fun. It wasn't just us. We did it with other people. And the chef,
he was really great. We'll link to his experience down below because we highly recommend
it because he was really good. And as you say, Kelly is a good teacher.
He's a really good teacher. He was engaging, nice guy.
So with rolling pin, we just and do like this and like this from several directions. Okay, good. If the rolling pin gets stuck, it means you're applying too much pressure.
That was a great experience.
It was. And they were yummy too.
Yes.
If I must say so myself, they were really good.
Got something to take back.
Yeah.
So now we're at our next stop. We're here at Time Out Market. And from what I can understand, obviously it's a market. But also that's like different food stalls and stuff like that. So it's around lunchtime here, so it's a good time to be here.
And it's an inside market.
It's inside, yeah.
If you've ever been to New York City, it's like an Italy in New York City. That's how it's been described.
Yeah. Yes, yes. This looks really good, y'all. I can't even begin to tell you what it is, though. Some kind of hot dog. It's got popcorn, bacon, cheese, tomato, what's it? Ketchup. Losing all my common sense. This is going to be lunch, at least for me. I'm going to go find Pam. She ordered something else. I think hers is in the oven.
All right, when you're at Time Out Market, don't just stay on the outside because there's some gems for you drinkers on the inside. Don't stay along the perimeter. Come inside as well. Here's why. Ooh, mojitos. Nice prices. Another sangria. I'm going to be sangria'd out. These are different ports.
We have all different types of port wine. Only port wine here, but all different types here.
Okay, thank you. For those who like spritz, I don't like them. I think they taste disgusting. Wine. Ooh, more sangria. Super Bock. I've been seeing a lot of that. That's beer.
Okay, we're about to enjoy this meal. And the sangria. Our last night here. We head back to the Americas tomorrow, but first we're having a adios dinner.
Hello, last night.
The people here are very spirited. That's where they're getting their spirit from the spirits. That's probably why they call it spirits. Hopefully food's going to be coming soon because the sister is hungry. The sangria is real good though, y'all. We have not had a bad sangria. Barcelona is the land of tapas. Portugal is the land of sangria. All right, dinner's here. Got our 2 sangrias. We got some fried green beans. It has a fancy Portuguese name, but we don't know it.
Yeah, the bad translation is goldfish from the garden.
Yeah, it's battered green beans. And some codfish croquettes because that's how they roll here. Got to keep that sangria. We don't leave bacon on the table and we don't leave sangria on the table.
I'm always grateful for these opportunities, but I did have a great time and I hope you enjoyed our video.